Hi everyone, my name is Easton Jones and today we'll be talking about copper. 5 interesting characteristics. Right up here we have copper has been used by civilizations dating back as far as 10,000 years. As shown below, we do have some copper coins as well as copper kettles, mainly used by ancient civilizations in the early times, such as dating back over to the Middle East. Key industrial uses include wiring. As you can see below, most houses have copper wiring throughout because its usage is able to be for long periods of extended time. It is vital for plants, animals, and humans in small amounts. As you see right here, we use copper in cookware, we use it as nutrition, and for plants as well as for sulfates. Help them grow. At the rate that copper is currently being mined, there is about 5 million years worth of copper on the Earth. As depicted below, we have copper mines all over North America, Central America, South America, and the China region. Copper is found in the Earth's upper crust. It's about 50 parts per million. So up here, it's actually found right here. Not that it's made in the Earth's crust, that's found in the Earth's crust. I don't think you're able to really make it up. Right here, you can see it in 0.14% of other materials. It is located right here on the copper portion. Copper found in minerals. An example of copper found is formed in turquoise. This is the actual makeup of the deposit itself. And this is a picture of turquoise right here. It's used in real world for jewelry and ornate purposes. So for your nice fancy jewelry and everything to make it look nice and pretty because it's got that nice blue color. Copper ore deposits. Copper ore is a sedimentary rock. The ore bodies form in hydrothermal veins that are started in underground magma chambers far below the deposits itself. The high temperatures of volcanic magma creates hydrothermal veins, allowing some of the Earth's heat to escape the upper layers of the Earth's crust. This is why copper is often found in the sedimentary layer, where sand and mud are compressed until they form a layer of sedimentary rock on the surface of the Earth. Copper ore gets trapped in oxidizes zones within these rocks and these types of rocks. This is kind of what it looks like right here when you mine copper. Copper is found on the surface of different areas all over the place. It is found in Arizona in the southeast region. There are many different mines located within Arizona itself. Some of the more common ones are like the Morenci Pit, or the Cuprite, or the San Juan, all usually owned by Freeport-McMoRan, or formerly known as Phelps Dodge. And this is my citations page right here.